CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3. Given a scenario, configure basic mobile device network connectivity and provide application support. Mobile device synchronization. So what exactly does mobile device synchronization mean? Mobile device synchronization is the process of keeping the same data consistent and up-to-date across multiple devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. When synchronization is working correctly, changes made on one device are automatically reflected on others, allowing users to move between devices without losing access to important information. In today's mobile environments, synchronization is typically tied to user accounts and cloud services. When a user signs into a device with an account, that account becomes the central hub for syncing data like calendars, contacts, emails, and files. As long as synchronization is enabled and the device has connectivity, data is continuously updated in the background. One important factor to consider when syncing mobile devices is recognizing data caps. Many mobile devices rely on cellular data connections when Wi-Fi is not available, and cellular data plans often include usage limits. Synchronizing large amounts of data, such as files or media, can quickly consume available data. For this reason, devices often allow users to restrict synchronization to Wi-Fi connections only, helping prevent excessive data usage and unexpected charges. Some of the most commonly synchronized data types are calendars and contacts. Calendar synchronization ensures that appointments, meetings, and reminders remain consistent across devices. If a meeting is added or changed on one device, it automatically appears on others. Contact synchronization works in a similar way, keeping phone numbers, email addresses, and contact details updated everywhere the user signs in. Synchronization also plays a major role in business applications, especially email and cloud storage services. Email synchronization allows messages to appear consistently across devices, meaning emails read or deleted on one device reflect the same status elsewhere. Cloud storage synchronization allows files to be stored centrally and accessed from multiple devices. Files uploaded from one device can be downloaded or edited on another, making cloud storage a critical component of modern mobile workflows. However, syncing large files can impact both storage space and data usage, reinforcing the importance of understanding data caps and sync settings. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.